Hey guys, a very warm welcome to you all. So today in this video we will discuss 10 questions which are very important for exams, and it has already came in exams. So we will discuss these 10 questions and let's begin. So the first question is, which one of the following is a west flowing rivers? And the options are Narmada, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi. And the right answer for these questions is Narmada. Narmada is the west flowing rivers. Apart from Narmada, there are other rivers also which flows in west directions, and they are Tapti, Mahi, Sabarmati. So remember this as well. And the next question is, which island of Andaman and Nicobar is renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Deep? And the options are the Viper Island, the Havelock Island, the Neil Island and the Rose Island. And the right answer for this question is Rose Island. Rose Island is renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Deep. This Havelock Island has been renamed as Swaraj Deep, and the Neil Island was also renamed as Said Deep. Remember these two as well. You may get the questions from these two as well. Which Indian batsman was the first to hit 6 consecutive 6 in 6 ball of an over in first class cricket? And the options are Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar and Ravi Shastri. And the right answer for this question is Ravi Shastri. Ravi Shastri was the first Indian batsman who hit 6 consecutive sixes in 6 ball of an over in the first class cricket. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? And the options are Chinook, Kal Baisakhi, Lu and Trade wind. And the right answer for this question is Lu. The name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer is Lu. Which one of the following is the motto of NCC? And the options are Unity and Service, Unity and Command, Unity and Integrity, Unity and Discipline. And the right answer for this question is Unity and Discipline. The motto of NCC is Unity and Discipline. What is the full form of HTTP? And the options are Hybrid Text Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Program, Hyper Transmissions Text Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And the right answer for this question will be Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Name the Indian cricketer who is not included in the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. And the options are Sourav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar, Bishan Singh Bedi. And the right answer for this question is Sourav Ganguly. Sourav Ganguly is not included in the ICC Cricketer Hall of Fame. The name of the Indian cricketer who are included in the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame are Bishan Singh Bedi, Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar, Anil Kumble, Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar. They are the 6 Indians who are included in the ICC Hall of Fame. Which Indian city made its entry into the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in 2019? And the options are Patna, Mumbai, Kanpur, Jaipur. And the right answer for this question is Jaipur, and Jaipur is the city in Rajasthan. Next question is, to which dynasty did the King Ajatasattu of Magadha belong? And the options are Mughal, Maurya, Haryanka, Chalukya. And the right answer for this question is Haryanka. Ajatasattu belonged to the Haryanka. And it was during his reign that the first Buddhist council was held. What is the largest gland of human body? And the options are pituitary, parotid, pancreas and liver. And the right answer for this question is liver. Liver is the largest gland of human body. So with this we have come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like, hit the like button, share and subscribe this channel.